Hi, I'm Dee, and welcome to my channel.
Encouraging others with hope and positivity as a family caregiver to my mom, aka Queen G, and as a full-time stay-at-home homemaker. A variety of videos sharing caregiving tips, cooking, gardening, decluttering, cleaning, hauls, meal planning, always in my planner, chatting, and sometimes a burst of laughs. Let's face it, things happen in life, so why not make it lovely? Good morning. I feel like I haven't grabbed my camera in a while. Choices. This was bothering me, as I know some of you are like, oh God, take the box off of the refrigerator. It makes me wonder what's in here too. Let's go through this and see what we can get rid of. I like to keep like snacks in here, but peanut butter cups. That needs to go in the candy dish. Oh look, we got peanuts, cashews, because we're pretty nutty around here. And we got pistachios, which is better. And we have a little bit of chips for lunches and so forth. We've had this one for a while, so I'm going to go ahead and throw that one away. And also, I want to put this into the candy dish, thinking that I don't want to necessarily throw it away, but knowing that I won't eat it. I mean, what's wrong with that? So let me go ahead and toss those, and then that way this is all in the basket, and we don't, oh, hello. Do you hate it when that happens? Okay, there. And then we got an empty box too. declutter that. And I think I might make myself a sandwich with this because I got salami in the refrigerator. So I'm going to make a sandwich with that. This is going to go bye-bye. And this is going to get tossed. And this can go back up onto the refrigerator. And that way you don't see my box there, out of sight. Hey, welcome back to another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. It's been a while. I missed you. The Tiny Tidy Tuesday is an open collaboration hosted by our dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, who shares a weekly playlist of our Team Tiny Tidy. You'll want to check out the playlist as our Team Tiny Tidy has grown. A lot of new channels to check out and a lot of Tiny Tidy motivation for you. If you'd like to join the open collab, make sure to contact Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home. It's my birthday. I wasn't too sure if I was going to say that, but today is last day of April. It's going to be a beautiful day. I have some contractors across the street jamming with some I don't know, some music, and they're hammering and the whole 9 yards. It's still, I'm going to get through this day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You're so gentle, Mom. Ellie.
It's been a difficult morning, I'm not gonna lie, but I have been trying to keep up with the day-to-day type of things, somewhat, sorta, kinda, you know. But because I have not done a Tiny Tidy, I miss all of you out there. I miss the collab, and trust me, our house needs a Tiny Tidy. I'm going to try to get back to the Tiny Tidies once a week, I'm hoping, but I'm so behind on my regular vlogs that I'm really not sure. What is going on with this shirt? A lot of things have changed since my last Tiny Tidy, and my routine is now all trying to still come to some type of routine. I'm in the transition right now. I'm trying to figure out a routine. My morning routines are somewhat trying to get back on track. Since I don't have my mom, Queen G, her laundry anymore to do in the morning, I've been really cutting down on doing a load every day because it's just basically me. Jay normally does his own laundry, so I don't have to worry about that, thank goodness. I mean, I would do it. He says he's fine doing his own. He does way better laundry than I have ever done. And I've always said that because the military in him, he gets his t-shirts all like in a square and all that. Look at mine is like whatever. I think he prefers to do his own, which I don't blame him. Knock yourself out. Once I get done with doing my laundry, I'm going to take that upstairs, and then I'm just going to call it a day because I really want to take the rest of the day to just enjoy. I think Jay's coming home a little early, and then hopefully maybe we can go somewhere, have an early dinner, late lunch, whatever. I kid you not, I was in a frantic clean yesterday. I thought that my dad was going to do like an impromptu trip up here to California, and so I literally took a whole hour yesterday and I went zipping around the whole house, upstairs, downstairs, all of the guest rooms, the bathrooms. I did everything, and I had Jay dust and help me out, so the house is pretty much clean. Talk about panic. The parents. No, I'm just kidding. Basically, all I have to do is just work in my garden, which I absolutely love. I think what I did for today, I think that's pretty much it, and it's gonna be okay. Because remember, small progress is still progress, and that's why we do the Tiny Tidies. It's either you don't have time, or you might have some type of disability, or you might have a situation at home. You might be a caregiver, like myself, I was. All you have time to do are the Tiny Tidies, but they do, they do help If you do your tiny tidies once a week, once a day, whatever floats your boat, it helps. Bottom line, tiny tidies are awesome. Let me swap what I have in the washer into the dryer, but I think that's pretty much it for today on this tiny tidy. Don't forget to click on that playlist because you can get much more motivation with the ladies who participate. And we have guests like every week. And I need to get on board because I need to get back on track of the tiny tidies. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, click right there and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching, and remember to take care of yourself. I'm taking care of myself, and I'm going to go on and continue with the birthday party. Bye. Actually, it's been a pretty emotional day, and I had to wear makeup and do a video today so it would help me to cope so I don't cry as much as I did this morning. But I know that my mom, Queen G, would want me to have a happy birthday. So I'm gonna try. Now go out and go tidy something. Go on.